I'm from Davao, but I'm here in Quezon right now. So keep up. Sino ba itong isa? Guluji. I'll be... Pero nasan ka ngayon, Mar? Mhm. Hi, David. Jack. Anak sa Iloilo. Malayo ba yung Iloilo? Iloilo City. Number one. Knows me. I know you. Charis. Kidding. Hi, number one. Just arrived from Makati. Okay. I know you, number one. You're my number. Charis. No, you don't. I think I know you. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, I know you. Kilala kita, uy. Hi, Soren. Yeah, studying. No one. Ay, number one pala. No pala yun. Ambi ko ako number one. I know you. You. Sino nga yung kasabayan mo ka? Ano ko, ka stalking ko last time. Hi, Villain. Yeah, I'm still studying. Hey, kamusta? Ba't number one? No one is known. Hi, Diwa. Paano mo ako nakilala? Hindi talaga kasing kilala. Napunta ka na dito sa live ko dati. What course? Culinary. Hi, Mahed. Majed. Culinary arts student. Nagutom ako. Ba't na-toothbrush na ako? I don't want to eat. Oo. Diyos ko Lord. Umalis na siya. Ang gabot. So you know how to cook. Yeah. Hi, Alan. Definitely. Hi, Ron. Lizard. Hi, Lizard. Hi, Wing. Keep up. Mhm. What are you doing right now? Um, Bart? What? Mark, matagal ka na sa Bicol, Mark. Andiyan ka pa, mama. Boy. Hi, Abon. Yep, like years. I remember. Jason. 3 years. Oh my God. Tagal na. Why are you still here? Indigo. Ikaw. Magpo 4 months. inaantok na ako. Ang hirap mag-bibi. It's so hard. What year are you in? I'm gonna be fourth year. This coming school year. Fourth year. So keep up. Fourth fucking year. Just. Yeah, mag-fourth year na ako. Maxipad. That was fun. Yeah. But andito ako sa QC ngayon. Malayo ba? Marlene. Hi, Marlene. Maxipad. How are you, Maxipad? Good morning. Is it morning in your country? Australia. No, it's evening. Yeah. Working student. I'm working. So keep up. Maxi, how are you, Maxi? Hi, Jesus. Oh my God, Jesus. Mata ko nawawala. Ah! Diyos ko, Lord. Ah. I am so sleepy, guys. Hi, Ali. Hi, Cha. No, I study in QC. Ikaw? Estudyante ka din pala. Saan? Anong course mo? Kala ko ba nasa ano ka? Makati. Oh! Hi, Paul. How was Paul? Hello. Oh my God. Anong year mo na? Brainy ka pala. Lawyer din yung ano ko, yung boss ko. She's gonna be third year. Magti-third year na ba sa third? Oo. Doon siya nag-ano sa Arellano University. QC ba yung Arellano?